Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to start by confirming account type and identity now. If your account is business, gather legal documents. If individual, have your government ID. Once logged into AdSense, go to Settings and open Account Information to see editable fields. Make sure Payments Profile is accurate because name changes often link to that record. Begin the official request from the Account Information pane. You'll take the first actionable step here by selecting Edit and choosing the appropriate change path. Now you'll complete the detailed submission. Select Edit on the name and follow prompts to indicate individual or business change. Accurately spell the new name as it appears on your ID. Upload clear scans of required documents. PDFs or high-resolution images work best, and include supplementary tax or registration files when asked. Once done, verify the payment profile and contact email are consistent to avoid holdups. Submit the request and note the estimated review period so you know when to finish by monitoring the review and acting on any follow-up. You'll get an email or console notification with approval or requests for more documents. Respond quickly and clearly. If the change is denied, read the rejection reason, correct formatting or documentation issues, and resubmit. If the account name still doesn't reflect the change after approval, update the payment profile or contact AdSense support directly. One key troubleshooting tip: match every document's name exactly, including punctuation and spacing, to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.